You have two donor cards, one from Serbia, one for Germany. Why you do this very, very good thing?
For me, it's a matter of course. Frankly, every life which can be saved is a good thing. I don't know, I told this story a long time ago, but my cousin actually, he died when he was 16, or 17 actually, by an accident on a motorbike. And his organs helped, I think, 4 people to sustain their problems. And ever since, for us as a family, this is a must thing. We all signed them, and this is kind of a legacy which he left behind, which is somehow comforting. And so holding those donor cards actually is something which I believe everybody should do, because it's more likely to receive organs than to give. And we all want our loved ones and even ourselves to once be able to receive them.
And in Serbia we don't have enough donor, and the same situation is in Germany also. Why do you think it's like that?
It's actually a pity. I mean, we're ever so proud that the Serbian government adopted the law on the organ donation. I think we all need to get accustomed to this. System needs to be improved, but also obviously families need to be much more aware that this is something they should please not hold back, because you can obviously say no, but you don't have to say yes. And I think this should be then accomplished, and I'm pretty confident we'll get there, but it's a combined effort. Each and everyone needs to hold the card and needs to basically admit that yes, he is ready to be part of this organ donation.
Can you tell us a little bit about the situation in Germany about this?
In Germany, we don't have this right, or we don't have the law, but the same as I do. I mean, I'm holding the German card as well, although actually it's even registered. I registered with the court that once I would be basically terminally dead, then my organs could be donated. So this is much more common, getting more and more common, and still there are a lot of people who are doing this because, once again, they probably saw in their families, in their friends, that this is something which is life-saving and a good thing to do.
You already have two campaigns, the most important call,
yes.
And I am a donor. Why your company do something like this?
We are part of the society. Mm-hmm. We care about people. For us it is literally just a matter of heart, and something which we take pride in. It's not at all somehow, you may think that it's business related, but actually it's absolutely not. This is strictly speaking something which, by speaking to the doctors, by seeing also the patients on the ground, which obviously we have a lot of contact with, we saw that there should be some action being done. Then we aligned with the Ministry of Health, with all the other authorities, and also got great support by media who supported us by placing the slogans and the TV ads for the campaign. And I think somebody needs to start. So we thought, okay, we can do this because we believe in this.
And tomorrow is National Donor Day. Yes. What is the most important message at the end?
Once again, please be aware your organs are saving lives. You might be saved by somebody else's organs, so make the step forward. Just be pro for this, because it is a good thing. And we all want to do good. For me, Serbia, I mean, I'm still more German than Serbian, but Serbians are such a nation of hospitality. You're friendly to guests, you're friendly to friends. Don't only offer them food, but also this kind of last step of help. I think this is actually in the nature of ours. If I speak as us, as Serbians, it's in the nature of ours, and I think this is a small step to take, but an important. It's a reminder. Please, please, please be ready to give your organs.
Thank you very much.